Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Roblox and join the experience. You don't fiddle, go straight to the gear icon and open settings. Adjust graphics mode and quality first to balance frame rate versus visuals because performance matters for responsiveness. Change master volume and music volume to set sound levels for clarity. Once done, apply the preset or set custom so specific sliders remain. These first steps give immediate, measurable improvement in playability and let you assess further tweaks. Next, refine how you interact. Open camera and controls tabs and tweak FOV, shift lock switch, and mouse sensitivity so movement feels natural. Small increments matter. Change key bindings if a specific control conflicts with your setup, and enable invert or other comfort options if you prefer. Enable accessibility features, subtitles or colorblind filters to ensure visibility. Make changes, test them in-game, and iterate. This middle stage fine-tunes feel and accessibility, so the session becomes finished by applying your chosen settings and restarting the Roblox client. Some options require a relaunch to take full effect. Test gameplay for a few minutes and, if possible, check on another device or with a friend to confirm consistency. If settings don't stick or behave oddly, clear the Roblox cache, install updates, and verify your account isn't restricted. Permissions can block changes. If issues persist, restart your device. That often resolves lingering conflicts and ensures your adjustments become permanent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.